Hi dear students, good afternoon. Today I am going to teach an English book, chapter 3, Mother Teresa. So dear students, you know Mother Teresa was a great woman. She always helps poor and needy people. So today we are going to know more about Mother Teresa. Let's come to the topic. This is the picture of Mother Teresa. Dear students, now I read this. You listen it carefully. Chapter 3, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was a great woman. She was born on 26th August 1910 in the Republic of Macedonia. That means her date was 26th August in the year 1910 in the place of Macedonia. Which is Macedonia is situated in the country of Balkan in the continent of Europe. Her father's name was Nicolo Bojaxiu and her mother's name was Dranafai. Her father's name was Nicoli Bojaxiu and her mother's name was Dranafai. She was given the name of Agnes Gonaksaha Bojaxiu. That means actually name of Mother Teresa was Agnes Gonaksa Bojaxiu. The family always called her Gonaksa, which means flower bird. That means she always looked a little plump and pink and also cheerful. That means she always lives with cheerful. She was the youngest of 3 children. उनके 3 भाई बहन थे, उनमें सबसे बड़े थे. She had an elder brother, Lazar, and sister Aga. She had an elder brother and sisters. Her brother's name was Lazar and her sister's name was Aga. They lived in a large house with a big garden. That means they have a large house. Her parents were very caring and never refused anyone who needed help. That means her parents do not reject anyone who need help. When Mother Teresa recalled her childhood, she said, we were a happy and united family. That means when Mother Teresa remembered her childhood days, she always said, we were a happy and united joint family. When Agnes was 80 years old, her father died. That means in the year of Agnes 8, her father died. Her mother worked hard to make sure the children were happy. That means उनके पापा के जाने के बाद उनकी मामा ने ही उनकी देखभाल की थी. Mother Teresa remembered, my mother taught us to love and our neighbors. That means Mother Teresa recalled her mother always said to love God and our neighbors. Agnes and her sister took part in many church activities. Church is the religious place of Christian. Agnes and her sister मतलब वो और उनके बहन दोनों ने ही हमेशा चर्च जाते थे और उनमें जितने सारे एक्टिविटीज होता था उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते थे. She loved reading about the lives of saints and great people. That means she loved reading the books story of saints and great people. Once she heard voice in her dreams as if God was asking her to become a nun. Once she heard the voice of God. God was calling to become a nun. Nun means tapasini. She came to India and became a nun. So she decided in the year of 1928 to come to India and became a nun. She began serving poor and alien people in Kolkata. So he first started to serving poor and needy people in the place of Kolkata. She was fondly called Mother Teresa. After help of needy and poor people, they called her Mother Teresa with the love. All her life she looked after the needy people. That means she dedicated her entire life to look the needy people and help the poor people. She died in the year 1997 in the death 5th September in place of Kolkata. We all remember her as one of the greatest people in the history of world. That means we all remember, we do not forget them because she was the greatest people in the history of world. World means earth. And due to her dedicated of entire life to help poor and needy people, she received many awards like Padma Shri, Jawaharlal Nehru Award, Bharat Ratna, and Nobel Peace Prize. In the year of 1979, she received Nobel Peace Prize, and in the 1971, first Port Jones Peace Prize. In the year of 1979, she received Nobel Peace Prize, and 1971, she received first Port Jones Peace Prize. Dear students, this is the whole story about Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, now I recall them once again. Her father's name was Nicole Wojcicki and her mother's name was Drana File. She had an elder brother and sister. Her brother's name was Lazar and her sister's name was Aga. She came to India and became a nun in the year of 1928. She started serving poor and needy people in the place of Kolkata. She died in the 1997, 5th September in the place of Kolkata. We all remember her as one of the greatest people in the history of world. So we know in the common name Mother Teresa. Dear students, now you read this story at your home with the help of your parents. And I also write some new words with their meaning. Using this meaning, you also try to understand this story. And next, now we are going to discuss comprehension of this chapter. First one, choose the correct option. That means you take the there are three options. You take the correct option like Mother Teresa was born in the year dash. Mother Teresa was born in the year dash. Option A 1911, option B 1912, option C 1910. Your answer should be 1910, so you tick in the box. The name of Gangsa means dash, flower bird, rose, petals. Gangs means flower bird, so you tick in the box. Agnes loved to read about dash, superheroes, celebrities, great people. Agnes loved to read about great people. Mother Teresa began serving the poor in dash. In which place? Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata. Answer is Kolkata. And number 2, write T for true or F for false statement. That means you write T if the statement is wrong. If the statement is true, and you write F if the statement is wrong. Mother Teresa was called Guengsa because she was skinny. No. Mother Teresa was called Guengsa because she was skinny. No. She was flower bird. So the answer should be false. Her parents were very caring. Yes, her parents were very caring and helping. She came to India and became a nun. Yes, she came to India and became a nun in the year of 1928. She did not care for the poor and needy. False. She cared for the poor and needy people. Next. Answer the following question. First, this is a long question. Now, first I write the names of Mother Teresa parents. That means you should write the name of her father and mother. Mother Teresa parents' names are Nicole Wojcicki and Drana File. Next, number 2. How many brothers and sisters Agnes have? Agnes have one elder brother, Lazar, and sister Aga. Why was Agnes called Guengsa? Agnes was called Guengsa because she looked like a flower bird, pinky, plump, and cheerful. Which the words Guengsa means? Guengsa means a flower bird, pinky, plump and cheerful. So Agnes was called Ganesha. Why did she become a nun? Why did she become a nun? She became a nun because one day she heard God asking her to become a nun. Number 2. Answer the following questions with reference to context. That means using this line you should answer these 2 questions. My mother taught us to love God and our neighbors. That means who is the speaker here? The speaker is Mother Teresa. What did the speaker's mother teach the speaker? And the speaker's mother taught the speaker to love God and our neighbors. Next, grammar. Correct the spelling of the following words from the text and rewrite them. Like आपको ये जितने सारे वर्ड है वो गलत है, आपको सही करके लिखना है. जैसे ग्रेट, GREATE, ग्रेट स्पेलिंग क्या है? GREAT. तो आपको ई को हटा के लिखना है ग्रेट, GREAT. नंबर 2, फैमिली. हट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ फैमिली, FAMILY. सो आपको आई हटाकर वाई लिखना है. पेरेंट्स, PARENT. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ ई यू शुड राइट ए. नंबर 5, रिमेंबर्ड. हट द स्पेलिंग रिमेंबर्ड, REMEMBERED. नेक्स्ट बी, चर्च, CHURCH, चर्च. सेंट्स, SAINTS. नेक्स्ट, गिव वन वर्ड इच टू डिस्क्राइब. मतलब आपको इनके बारे में 1 वर्ड लिखना है जैसे उनके हिसाब से होता है. मदर टेरेसा, नोबेल. मदर टेरेसा नोबेल. राफेल गनेशा, caring and hardworking. She is the mother of Mother Teresa. Next, write down if the underlined noun is singular or plural. देखो जो वर्ड अंडरलाइन है अगर वो सिंगुलर नाउन है तो आपको सिंगुलर लिखना है, ये अगर वो प्लूरल नाउन है तो आपको प्लूरल लिखना है. जैसे सोफी गॉट ए कैट फॉर आवर बर्थडे. कैट इज ए सिंगुलर नाउन, सो यू शुड राइट इन सिंगुलर. I like to eat pizza. Pizza is singular noun, so you should write in singular. The dog has 6 puppies. Puppies is plural noun, so you write in plural. The fairy said the woodcutter would have 3 wishes. Wishes plural, so you should write plural. The students, this is the chapter 3 about Mother Teresa and comprehension question. At last, I also provide you some homework like write 10 sentences about Mother Teresa. You first write Mother Teresa name, then her father's name, her mother's name, and in the year of born, dead, write 2 or 3 hours she received name. And next, how many siblings did she have? She have 2 siblings. Who did Mother Teresa help? Now Mother Teresa helped poor and needy people. So dear students, this is your hard copy in which write all the question answer and new words and also homework. So dear students, you should write it in your English copy and practice it for your better improvement. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.